clear coat application is one of the most important processes within the body shop. The following tutorial will teach you the key points to be considered to obtain an excellent finish. Following the recommendations of the technical data sheet is essential to achieve an ideal mix and product viscosity, in order to increase its performance in terms of fluidity, drying time and applicability. To obtain a perfect mixture, we will need to use a precision balance and other bodywork attachments such as mixing cups with different mixing ratios. Controlling the clear coat temperature before it is applied, in addition to that of hardeners and thinners, is a differentiating factor. Under normal conditions, the clear coat should always be at around 20 to 25 Celsius, although this will vary depending on the type of clear coat and manufacturer. Extreme temperatures, whether very low or very high, can subsequently lead to painting defects such as blooming, pinholes or overspray, among others. The first and most important step during the clear coat application process starts even before applying it. The way we work on the lower coats of paint will influence the behaviour of the clear coat on the part. A correct sanding, polishing or pre-cleaning of the surface are essential aspects to achieve an excellent finish. The spray gun must be set with a pressure and nozzle opening based on the technical data sheet of the clear coat. It must be regulated in such a way that the product flow is in the shape of a fan, in order to generate thin, uniform and extended coats. We must always avoid excess clear coat on the part, always trying to apply it evenly. Some parts are particularly sensitive to product overload, such as vertical parts, resulting in possible sagging. The clear coat must always be applied in a linear way, trying to maintain the same speed and distance of the spray gun in relation to the surface during application. For large parts, it's preferable to apply the clear coat to the part by section, avoiding part by part product overloading and peripheral areas and edges. Although it depends on the type of clear coat to be used, we will generally apply a lighter and thinner first coat to wet the surface. The second coat will contain a greater amount of sprayed product because its application speed will be slower. Periodic cleaning of the different paint application equipment, such as the compressor, the compressed air line or the spray gun, is essential to minimise possible errors and paint defects such as bubbles or silicons.